Hello friends, today I will show you how to unlock the Samsung J7 model phone if you forget your password. This is my Samsung J7 model smartphone. I forgot phone password. Now I will show you how to unlock it. To unlock the phone, you must first turn off the power. But I can see here that power cannot be turned off without password. Try to see if you can get into recovery mode by restarting the phone. To restart, hold down the power button, volume down button, and home button together. Holding down the volume up button as soon as the phone is turned off will go into recovery mode. Sorry, this method is not working. The phone turned on again. Now a charger will be needed to turn off the phone completely. I connected a charger into the phone. The phone is now charging. Now you have to hold down the volume down and home buttons and power buttons together again. Yes, the phone is completely off. Now the phone is charging. Now press and hold together. Volume up plus home plus power button for a couple of seconds. You should release held keys when the Samsung logo appears on the screen. When the Android robot picture pops up, no command in recovery mode. If the Android robot picture pops up, no command, then click the volume up plus home button. In this mode, choose Wipe Data Factory Reset by using volume keys to navigate and the power button to accept it. After that, select Factory Data Reset from the menu and confirm it by pressing the power key. At the end, choose Reboot System now by using the power button. Now you Now you have to wait for 2 or 3 minutes for the phone to turn on completely. Welcome skin is gone. Now there is no password in this phone. Now you just need to set up the phone. If the phone is unlocked with FRB lock, check out the FRP bypass tutorial video description or check pinned comment link. Thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned by subscribing to our YouTube channel.